Everybody today is gonna think I'm crazy because I brought my trailer to this garage sale. I am a little crazy, aren't I? The reason I did this is because he's got a lot of stuff, and I'm going to the flea market soon. Not exactly picking for eBay. Of course, I always do. I'll grab anything and everything I can find today. I'm gonna have to whip around and park right there. I got the rifle cases, $5 each. I think that's a good deal. You think people want to go to this garage sale?
Too late now.
Yeah. Tons of people. Dun it, dun it.
We need to go be like subscribe.
Yeah, man.
The channel called
eBay Jacob.
eBay Jacob. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
Yeah, and check it out anytime. Dang it. Think I can find something? Wow. Better try.
I remember when I was just a little kid. Oh, the innocence seems all I ever did was run around starting this and that. But when it came to getting work done, I missed the chance. They said my spirit was free, and if that is a good thing, then why aren't you like me? I guess that they were telling me that I'm a little different. Teachers always said, Jake, are you even listening? You can find me sitting with the principal consistent. I said I didn't care, and he was pissed because I meant it. I never started trouble, I just like to have fun. But everyone around me was content to have none. I guess that life isn't all about the jungle gym, but working 80 hours a week ain't on my bucket list. And those are straight up facts. If I make $1 million, I'll be laid up fat. I don't need to be rich, but I don't wanna be broke. I just wanna be well off and do what I love. I got this feeling in my stomach, I'ma let it live. I'm just glad that I'm surrounded by talented friends.
What's up? What up, Ink? How are you, man?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Dude, doing good.
Hey, I didn't catch your number the last time. So whenever you get,
before we get out
yeah,
of
whenever
here.
you get time, if you still have it saved, and then just give me a call now or shoot me a text or whatever.
Okay, I will, man, for sure.
Right on, brother.
You know anything about this thing right here, man?
Oh man,
Looks nice, but I just can't find anything on it.
I know nothing about those.
Yeah, it's wild.
It's definitely old though, bro.
I know, right? Looks really nice.
No
It's
comps on it, huh?
I'm trying to find it. I don't even know what it is. I'm typing in a damn piano. It's like a accordion.
Accordion. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh,
right?
okay. Yeah, man. It's kind of a madhouse here, huh?
It is.
Should be fun.
Yeah, right.
Don't expect much, but
Yeah, man, that's the thing.
so we got one here. So parts.
Oh, okay.
Parts only. Looks like they're asking pretty much top dollar on it.
Yeah.
Really
What did they
cool,
got a
though.
price at?
$250.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's
So,
top dollar for sure.
Yeah. Well, it's cool. It's top dollar cool.
Yeah, man. You don't see those every day. That's for sure.
That's for sure, man. Well, right on, man. I'll make some loops and then I'll get back at you soon.
Yeah,
man.
buddy. That
Yeah,
sounds good,
Good
man.
to see you, dude. Everything's priced pretty high, guys. I mean, pretty stout prices, so probably won't end up getting too much. This vintage bean bag might be something.
If it doesn't have a price, the guy in the hat over there with the gray shirt is pricing. Who's with the sunglasses on? I can help if it has a price on it.
Hello.
Hi.
We got $20,
Okay.
$5, and $5.
Okay, so 30.
Okay.
I do.
And then I can save
Yeah,
the
yeah.
perfect.
Okay, so
And then I'll
take
grab
that $5. Thanks.
We'll make it happen somehow.
This is not the best method. Let's see. 555. Here it is. Wait, you gave me 40 and it's 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Need another 5. Here we go. 2 5s.
You're the best. Thank you.
Okay, thanks so much.
So did you get the scoop on the blower?
Yeah, he said all the parts are there and it works. We just have a battery powered one now.
Okay. And then you're selling the table too?
Yeah.
You sold the other one already?
Yeah.
Oh, bummer. Here you go. I guess I'll pass on the blower.
Okay.
Yeah. It's nice though. Would you do 20 bucks for it?
Sure.
Oh wow, you're making me buy it. Okay.
This means I don't have to stay out here as long.
Yeah, you're almost done, right?
I think I might just curb these. I don't think anyone's gonna buy them.
Yeah, do they have the shelves for them or?
Yeah, they do on the bottom, but.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah, curb them and someone will come by and grab it, right?
Saves me a trip, right?
Yeah, okay, well I'll load this stuff up.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, just left the first sale, headed to the second one. We got one more after this. Let's see how it goes. This one's a little more quiet than the other one. I do appreciate that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're ridiculous.
That's really good looking jacket you got there.
Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I found it at a garage sale. You must have one similar.
What is that? What else is that? What is it? Camera?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel where people go garage selling with me. I like to go around and see what I pick up and stuff.
Oh,
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
I'll be darned.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. This is all of the stuff that we grabbed over the weekend. All kinds of crazy stuff. Usually we're out there picking for eBay, and this week I had a ton of flea market stuff, so I knew that I was going to be going to the flea market this weekend, so I figured I would just grab anything and everything I could find and try to make a little bit of money. So this is what I found this week. All kinds of crazy stuff. First off, I'll start with the gun safe. The gun safe is like a two-piece set. I paid $50 for the set, and I think I should probably be able to get between like $150 and possibly $200 at the flea market. Shoot for $150 on that. That's $100 profit there. Another big one that I got yesterday is this fan. This fan is huge, guys. It's almost, I'd say, a little over 5 foot tall, and really nice. It blows really good. I think someone's gonna want it for their shop. It's got metal blades on it, so I figured that's probably above average fan and an industrial type fan. I paid $50 for this fan, and I think I'm gonna shoot for $150, so that's another $100 profit there. I'll probably ask again $175 for it and shoot for $150. So right there's $200 in profit. I think that's pretty good. Yesterday I also got this bin of Harley gear and Joe Rocket motorcycle gear. That was a really solid pickup. It's full of all kinds of stuff. I'll bust out the GoPro and show you guys what this looks like in a second. As for today, we found some decent items. Nothing crazy today, but a little bit of money. I paid $20 for this guy. I usually don't buy these because you have to put the time into testing them, make sure they start and all that stuff. I don't like doing that, but I'm gonna put the time into it. If it works well, I'll probably ask, you know, $60 for it or something like that. Make 40 bucks. Nothing crazy. This hose here, I got it yesterday. I bought it in a big bundle of stuff. I bought all the tools for $150. And I've got this tub over here that's full of tools too. That'll be a GoPro shot here coming up soon. Today I bought 2 of these, waiting for the big sale to happen. I saw the neighbor pull these things out, and I was like, can't go wrong with gun safes or gun cases. These always do really well. I paid $5 each for these, and I'm thinking probably 25 bucks each at the flea, so that's a $40 profit there. These shoes right here, these shoes were kind of a gamble, guys. I paid $20 for these shoes. I recognize the brand, but more importantly, I recognize the model as like a higher end model. I recognize the leather and just the style of the boot. I've sold these before. I checked comps when I got home, and it looks like a similar comp of this exact style sold for about $85 plus shipping. These aren't as nice as those, so I'll probably ask about $65 for these. Easy $30 profit there. Keep an eye out for this kind of weird fun stuff. Okay, so this is a drill bit sharpener. I don't see them very often, and it was cheap. It was $5. It's handy. People are gonna need it. It's a handy little tool. Try to pick up things that are handy that people are actually gonna need. That's what you need to focus on. I'll probably ask like 15 bucks for this thing. Make $10.
All right, here's a better shot at the front of the table here, guys. I got this saw right here, a circular saw. It's an older Craftsman. Like I said, I got all the tools for $150. I'll charge about $35 at the flea. I don't know exactly, but I knew that it's a good item and it will sell and there's profit in it, so I picked it up. I also got this. This actually came with the whole set. I just ended up charging the batteries. It looks like this thing hasn't been ran in a while, so that actually seems pretty weak. But next up is this AC unit. These window AC units, guys, these are good money. You can pick these up at the garage sales for literally like $10 or $15, sometimes 20 bucks. I'll still pick them up at $20 and take them to the flea market. That's $50 at the flea market all day long. If you don't want to take these things to the flea market, or you don't go to the flea market, Facebook Marketplace, throw it up. People are looking locally for that, and especially this time of the year with it getting hotter, that's a no-brainer. I picked those up for sure. Here's the tub of motorcycle equipment, guys. Really nice jackets, 2 sets of jackets. So we got bags, really nice, like, see the good helmets in here. We got seat pads and leather jackets, and probably about 4 pairs of chaps in there. That was a no-brainer. The chaps I'll probably ask $20 to $25 each. There's 4 pairs in there. That's $100 on just the chaps. The jackets, another $25 for the nice leather jacket, and the rest of the odds and ends and bags and stuff. You know, that's like a $200 profit or more box, and that's not including the Joe Rocket. This thing, you can sell these online for around $30 to $40, I think, plus shipping or with free shipping, I don't know. But these do ship kind of big. They don't fold up nice, so sometimes you can get hammered on shipping for those. But I mean, I paid $50 for the box, and I know I can get 30 or 40 for this right here, so that was a no-brainer, guys. All of these tools I got this weekend as well. These like pipe clamps, those do really good. I paid $25 for all of those, and at $10 each, there were 7 of them. That's $70 there. Again, all of these, like this hand tool and this, was all included in the $150 box. Here's the rest of the $150 box. Here, the tile saw. I mean, it might not look like it was worth it, guys, but it will be worth it. I sell at the Mile High Flea Market, and at the Mile High Flea Market, man, you can get crazy money. Like this thing right here, just because it's a unique sledge, that's 20 bucks at the Mile High Flea Market. I mean, I can get that no problem, and I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm not. I tend to sell things cheaper than most people at the flea market, so if you think my prices are high, the other people there are getting more. So this is a storage unit that I got this week as well. I have the M&M unit in the back of this one, behind this stuff. So guys, I am filled up. I am filled up full of stuff right now. That's what's going on in Jacob's world, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys big time. I appreciate y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys on the next one. As always, keep on grinding, never stop.